In this lesson, we will discuss broadcasting, which is one of the most important topic of NumPy, but very easy. So first of all, you have to import NumPy as NP, and here I have made a matrix. This is the ones matrix, right? All elements of this matrix will be one. So 3 by 4 means there should be 3 rows and 4 columns. Why I have written D type is equal to integer? Because if I will not write down this, our output would be in the form of float. So I want to convert it from float into integer. That is why I wrote it D type is equal to integer. See, now this is the matrix of 3 by 4. We have 3 rows and 4 columns. Similarly, I have made another variable y, np dot array, and my array, and these are the elements. When I will run it, so you will see this is 1 by 4. In matrices, what we had learned, that if we want to add two matrices, the order should be same. If this matrix is 3 by 4 and I want to add the second matrix, it should also be 3 by 4, right? But the broadcasting concept is, if we do not have the same order but only one row is given, see, this is 3 by 4 and it is 1 by 4, that is fine. Broadcasting will add this row with this row, second row with the same elements which is given, and third row with the same row. This is the concept of broadcasting. So simple, right? So add each row of x, this is our x, using broadcasting. So I have made another variable, add underscore rows, and x plus y. So when I will execute it, you will see 4 plus 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, and 1 plus 2. I have made 1, so it is very easy to visualize, but you can change the number of the first matrix if you want. So what is the broadcasting? If we do not have the same order, then each row will add whatever row is given to us, right? Okay, now question arises, if we have this the same x matrix is same, instead of this row a column is given, so no worries, broadcasting will add all this column one by one to the given column. So I will show you here, create nd array of 3 by 1. So see, when I create it, it is 1 2 3. Again this is 1 by 3, right? But I need 3 rows and 1 column. So what I have to do here, I have to take the transpose, and transpose we have learned earlier as well. What is the transpose? It will convert rows into columns or column into rows. So transpose, instead of writing complete word transpose, you can write down, this is z dot t, right? T means capital T. Do not write down a small t. Capital T, and this is the name of this variable. When I will execute it, you will see now our this row is converted into column. So here see, if we will see our matrix 1, so here we have 1 2 3, 3 columns, so and we have 3 rows here, so it is very easy. Now we can add, sorry, I said column, it is rows, right? 3 rows and 4 columns, so 1 1 1, and here we have 3 rows as well, 1. So 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, and then 1 plus 3 4. So each column will add with these 3 elements. Here I will show you, add to each column of x using broadcasting, and see, all columns have the same values. Why? Because I have taken my original x. X is the ones matrix, all numbers are 1. And here I said create a scalar array. What is the scalar array? See this one, only one row and one column, which will broadcast in both dimensions. Now what is the meaning of it? First I will execute it. So see, the output is 1. This is called the scalar array, one row and one column. So if we have a matrix given, this one or whatever, right, only scalar item is there, so x plus add underscore scalar, which is 1. Each element of the matrix will add whatever is the scalar item. Here we have 1. So when I will execute it, see 1, all items are now 2, because initially we had 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Same thing for y. If I will execute it, 4, 5, 6 and 2, right? Because scalar is 1, and what is y? See, our y is 3, 4, 5 and 1, so it is 4, 5, 6 and 2, and 4, 5, 6 and 2. So this is the basic concept, easy concept of broadcasting. Please practice it, and thank you.